Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Today I'm out looking around for background images that I can film from the ground up, just as you see what I'm doing right now. For my experimental horror film, I'm going to need some talent standing in certain positions, wearing certain costuming and special effects, and I'll need to shoot them for the effect with me lying on the ground and shoot them from the ground and up to the sky. So the imagery will be like you see in the background with the coconut tree up in the sky behind me. So let's look around for some more areas, shall we? And as we can see in this part of the video, the banana tree right behind me, up top there, shooting from the ground up, will work out very well in my script for what I'm going to film in a certain particular scene or any of them. I'm also considering using this type of method in the high fall scene from the bridge in my experimental horror film. So there's very possibly at least 2 cameras shooting that scene for the high fall. Let's keep looking around. It's also a good measure to point out that I want to make sure to put in a good bit of ethnic and native footage as well. Some things for the background and that type of thing. The coconut trees, banana trees, stuff like that, and whatever else from the Philippines I can find to get my hands on, and do different types of shots with that. Let's keep going. And also, when you search far enough, which isn't very far here in the Philippines, you can find these dilapidated homes, and they're great for filming here again. Lots of different types of shots to get there for experimental horror. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter buy and sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.